Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your save game files and your config file for Gears of War Reloaded on PC. Let's get started. Finding your save files. First, open any folder on your PC. Go to your C drive. Open the users folder. Open your username folder. Now open the app data folder. If you don't see app data, click the View tab at the top. Select Show, then click Hidden Items to make it visible. Go into the local folder. Open the Packages folder. Look for the folder named Microsoft.Pender. Open System App Data. From here, you'll find two key locations. Open the XGS folder. Open the folder with a long number, then open Wargame, then Save Data. Here you'll find part of your save files. Go back to System App Data. Open the WGS folder. Open the folder with a long number, then open the next folder inside. Here you'll find the rest of your save files. And that's where your saved progress is stored. Finding your config file. Open the Xbox app. Locate Gears of War Reloaded. Click on the three dots next to it. Select Manage. Go to the Files tab and click on Browse. Open the Gears of War Reloaded folder. Open Content. Open Engine. Open Config. Finally, open Base Engine User Settings.ini. This file contains your config settings like graphics, resolution, and performance options. And that's it. Now you know where to find both your save game files and your config file for Gears of War Reloaded on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.